How to fix product not showing on Shopify. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Shopify on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, first, check your product status. Go to your Shopify admin and navigate to Products, and then tap on All Products and select the product in question. Ensure the product status is set to active and not on draft or archived. Next, verify sales channels. In the product details page, scroll down to the sales channels and apps section. Ensure the product is available on the desired channels, example, online store or point of sale. If not, tap on the Manage option and check the appropriate boxes for sales channels. Also check visibility settings. Ensure the product is not scheduled to be published at a later date. Look for a published date under the product status. If needed, change it to make the product available immediately. Also, check for inventory settings. Ensure the product has sufficient stock. Scroll down to Inventory section and verify the stock quantity is greater than 0. If Track Quantity is enabled, make sure there's enough stock for the location. And for product variants, if the product has variants, example sizes or colors, ensure each variant is properly set up. Verify each variant has inventory and pricing information. Ensure variants are not marked as draft. Also, ensure your Shopify plan supports the feature you are using. For example, some plans may limit the number of sales channels or products. So, this is how you can fix product not showing on Shopify. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.